Welcome to Singburi. Welcome to China, to Uthai Thani, to Nakhon Sawan, to Kamphaeng Phet, to Tak. You get the point. As we came closer to our graduation, we had only thought of leaving our dorms for more adventurous adventure. On my trusty two wheels, our only rule was that we do not repeat our past trips. So that is not going to Pattaya or even Betong. Now, our memories of Chiang Mai trip with the clique were still being held tight by our hearts. So it was only natural we would want to feel something similar with the chance we had then. Our journey starts with the city of Tak.
The food court in Lotus is always amazing.
Where from my travel experience, it's probably the most convenient city before you arrive to either Chiang Mai or Chiang Rai. Now if you wonder why Tesco Lotus, well, for certain, they have guaranteed good tasting food if you don't have all day long to find equally delicious street food. And we're done. Remember me saying that Tak is probably the most convenient city? Well, next to it is Lampang, and there are barely any petrol stations in this physically long province. So, I was left with only a few bars of fuel.
Okay, so we got ourselves a specialty locally photo field, so I had to do it quickly. How did I miss that? Okay. I think that was stupid of me, but okay. Now, let's get some tissue and clean it up, because that is bad. Yeah. Right, so that photo got us 1 bar. Let's hope we can survive this. Yes, it was 30 baht. Let's hope this 1 extra bar can bring us to the petrol station. Yeah, station. Okay. Let's go. Oh, look at that. The only time I've ever seen this flash was when I just bought a bike, new. Yeah, now we're safe. What kind of song do I want to listen to? Some kind of celebratory song, I guess. Celebratory song that, like, you know, makes me feel like I just saved my own butt. Now the sad part is we have to actually go through the checkpoint and U-turn. Look, the checkpoint's ahead of us. Oh, has drugs, yes. Oh, you can just look them by the eyes. If you're experienced with drugs, especially those who have taken one, they would know. All it takes is just looking at them in the eye. That's why they want you to lower the windshield. Hey Wendy, 8 seconds, can you help me something? Get down first. Just I need to adjust the spotlight. Sorry, but real quick now. Okay. Don't worry. I'm just doing this. See, I have 60 seconds, don't worry. Done. Let's go. Okay.
A one-day ride to Chiang Rai from Bangkok felt so long. It made my memories of riding to Krabi felt easy in comparison. But then again, numbers don't lie. And they happen to be equally as bad, distance-wise. I got to say though, the road between Phayao and Chiang Rai already felt so good, despite being unfinished. What's not so good about it is having a lot of stray cats, cutting you in front while they cross the road. We actually ended up hitting one on the way back at night, but we will not show any of it because that is not a good content.
Oh, what is this? Is that a mixture of Kamen Rider, Iron Man, and, well, what? Just what? To think to be, to think that you would be finding it here, of all places. Crazy. And here we are. It's unfortunate that no matter where I go, it's getting blocked left and right. So unless you've been here by yourself before the pandemic, you can just look at these with me. Oh man, look at that. Just when I thought it couldn't get better. That has to be the highlight of this entire temple. Well, that didn't take a lot. Just a simple meow meow, and here you are. Yum, 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 yum. Well, on the opposite side of the temple is this tiny market, I think. And yeah, as what I expect, it's kind of empty. So I guess the situation hasn't got much better.
Next on our list, we would of course attempt to visit the other colors in Chiang Rai City. There is the White Temple we just visited, and then there are the Black House and the Blue Temple. We are going by the convenience order since we stayed the night in the city.
So here are the rules for now. Right, time to pay. Alright, we got it. Alright, the tickets in hand, let's go. Okay. Well, okay, that's welcoming. Oh boy. Now I'm cleansed. Free of COVID. Surprisingly, the camera's okay. Unfortunately, at this point, only the biggest building, which is the one I'm in now, is opened. Otherwise, you could have visited all the smaller houses and maybe even see the performances. So the artworks here are part of the VR technology, I guess. It's whoop, ouch. That hurts me. Oh, I kid you not. These art were never and will never be designed for kids. Yeah, it's interesting. For the curious mind, this could be very well worth an 80 baht entrance. By the way, the 80 baht price entrance is for both Thais and foreigners, so there's no discrimination here. Good grief. What's this?
Snake.
Supposedly a snake skin. Let's see. I'm not sure if it's real, or maybe it is real, but like kept. Ah, crocodile. Why does that look cute? And a whole bunch of horns. Seriously. I'm telling you again and again, it's not for kids.
Art.
It's art, indeed. Bam.
Hey, yes, I have another.
Huh?
I have another guy.
I don't want another guy. One's enough. Well, apparently one is not enough. This one is older. Hehe. Chop.
You can always trust Google Maps to take you out. And most likely on the weirdest routes around town. But more than half the time, I was rather thankful for what it has done to me, a traveler. Because normally, our instincts would be like this: going back to where you came from. But if I did exactly that, how else would I discover such amazing little things on the way? Like this. Okay. Now we are really on our way to the final color. We have a territorial dispute here between the small in size but big at heart versus big in size but a pussy. Small guy proceeds to dominate by pissing on the area. You can clearly see that. Dominance! The small guy's not having it. With the bigger dick. It's like, nah, you ain't worth my time. I'm out of here. When you think it's over, it's not. Now the big guy will proceed to do what we call the override. And when the little guy's not having it, it's like, do not piss on my territory, little. If anything, I think this cycle repeats day after day. And that is your daily local disputes. Brought to you by the little one. Our day was not even close to being over yet. We still had one bonus temple to visit, just a little away from the city. I think this one is worth a visit from all of you who watch this video. I know where motorcycle parks. And last on our list is the
massive statue temple. It's not white, it's not just blue, it's got all of it. Let's just call it the pagoda temple because it's got that massive pagoda right there. I don't even know which one is the highlight here, the statue or the pagoda, or the cute dolls that just ran past me there.
Where are they?
Oh,
Gone.
they disappeared. Alrighty, that statue, the access is finally closed. These two remain open until 9 p.m. So we will start from here. It says take off your shoes, so I will do just that. I wanted to rest. Take the wide angle shot here and it's beautiful. If there was no fog.